Yeah. So my name is Ram Boyapati. I have around 13 years of experience in IT industry. In these 13 years of experience, I've been working for different technologies of SQL Server, MSBI, and Power Platform, and also this Azure Data Engineering. Okay, and I have like around 7 years of IT trainings and placement experience. Okay, I have started this eclasses.com in 2017, and then after we were making many people brighter their futures by providing the quality training and by providing the placement as well. Okay, so with this 7 years of experience, what I have observed, so many of the students they were not able to getting the placement with the after completion of the training, because if you observe, like most of the people with their qualification, any graduation or any PG, then after they have some kind of a career gap, and they have some non-IT experience. They are working for IT only, but they are working for the different technology. So when these kind of people, for example, some people working in non-IT means there might be a faculty, there might be a teacher, there might be a customer care support, anything. Okay, any background. Some people they don't have any work experience. They just after completion of their graduation, they are doing the business only. So these kind of people, when they are going to become a software engineers, definitely they are going to choose some demanding technology. The demanding technology is currently the Azure Data Engineering technology. Okay, so we are going to provide a training of the program one. It's going to be 60 hours duration. So within the 60 hours duration, it's going to be Monday to Friday. It's going to be weekdays. So daily 1 hour session. So after this completion of this course, are you ready for attending the interview? Are you ready for the working for a projects? I'm not sure about that. The reason because what I have observed, if there are 100 students are joined the course, out of 100 only 30 students only getting the placement. What might be the reason behind this? There are so many reasons, because most of the people, because of this kind of a career gap, because of this non-IT experience, because of the IT experience, when they're going to present their profile like a experienced profile, they are going to showcasing their profile like a experienced profile. So when they're applying for a jobs like a 2 to 4 years of experience guy, then definitely they need more exposure on this technology. They need a more confidence on the technology. Correct. So what kind of confidence? The confidence should be they have to attend the interview without any fear, like a 4 years experience guy. And also after they are going to place a company, then after they have to work without anyone help over here. So without need of anyone help, they have to work it over here on the project, real world projects. So with the only program one what we are offering, 60 hours duration of the course, are you sure about this to getting the confidence on this one? I don't think. So only 30% of the people only getting the confidence on this one. The reason because only 30% people are more focused, and 30% of the people are already working in the IT, and they are more proactive. Because of that reason, they are immediately grasping the subject and they are able to getting the job. So then what about the remaining 70% of the people? So I'm going to focus on the remaining 70% of the people. I'm going to focus on the remaining 70% of the people. So whoever is completed the training, not only from our institution, from any institution, if you are completed the Azure Data Engineering training, then we are welcoming to this program. It is going to be a real-time program. So in other words, we can say it's a placement program. So what exactly we are going to do this placement program inside this one? Inside this placement program, our main vision is focusing on the you have to focusing on the interview preparation and making a more confidence on the real time scenarios. So when you are working for an IT company, how they are going to give you the work. So generally any project they are going to divide into different sprints. So here we are going to divide our entire Azure Data Engineering course into 15 sprints. So every sprint is going to be conducted on the weekly. For example, Monday I am going to give you sprint 1. So in the sprint 1 we have around 15 tasks. So in the entire week from Monday to Friday you need to work out on those tasks whatever I have given. In between when you are working, if you are getting any doubts, then you can reach out us and we can resolve the issue. So this is how Monday to Friday you need to work on the tasks whatever the we have given under the sprint 1. Then in Saturday, we are going to connect. In Saturday, we are going to connect with everyone, and you need to perform the tasks, whatever you have done on this week, by sharing of your screen, whichever the whichever the whichever the task we have given, right? So all those tasks you need to perform. For example, sprint 1 I have given 15 tasks. On the Saturday we are going to connect. You need to share your screen and you need to do a task by sharing of your screen in front of me. Okay, so this is how Saturday we will check and cross verify all of your task whether you have done hands on or not. Then coming to the Sunday, Sunday we are going to take a kind of a mock interview by asking the questions. In the sprint one, whatever the task I have given, I'm going to give you the interview questions related to this particular sprint one. So we are going to conduct a weekly sprint. We are connecting on the weekends, Saturday and Sunday, to discuss about those tasks and interview preparations and all those things. So total 150 scenario based tasks we are going to create. And also we have around more than 200 interview questions from top MNCs companies we are gathering and we are sharing those things. We are dividing those interview questions by each sprint as well. And we are conducting every Sunday some mock interviews. And also one real world project we are going to conduct with you after completion of this all sprints with the tasks and interview questions. Okay. Then also we are going to take everyday status by sharing of the sprint. Let's, for example, we are going to create one spreadsheet over here. Let me show you that one. So inside that spreadsheet, you have to let's go to, for example, let me change this. So this is the new sprint started over here. Like we are going to see this is the sprint one over here. So in the sprint one, how many tasks I have given? I have given almost 18 tasks in the sprint one. So the people like the student Anuba, Srinivas, Chiranjeevi, Harsha Reddy, so they are going to work on this task. So I have given this on the Monday. So they started working on this task. Whichever the task they have completed, they are making as it done. And whichever the task they have a doubt, they are keeping the doubts. So we are going to connect with them and we are going to resolve the issue. What doubt they have, we are going to resolve. Okay. So by Friday evening, everyone has to update the status as a done, 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 done. Okay. So here I will get total how many tasks you have completed and the out of 18 tasks, how many tasks you have completed. These people completed 9 tasks. These people 5 tasks. So this is how we can understand how many tasks they are completing. Okay. On Saturday, you need to share your screen and you need to do whichever the task I'm asking. Similarly, there are some interview questions. So interview questions also they are going to prepare it over here. All right. I'm going to share interview question and answer from my end as well. So this is how we are going to make the people to get more confidence in the course wise, each sprint wise. Okay. So once you are getting the more confidence, along with this technical, we are going to focus on the email writing skills and how to communicate with the managers and team leads if you are not working in any real world industry. Okay. And also when you are going to attend the interview, so we are going to prepare the resume preparation as well. Obviously we are going to keep that resume preparation, and also we are going to put some email referrals to the jobs like when you are going to attend the interviews as well. Okay. So this is all about the program we are going to conduct. So Monday to Friday you need to work yourself, but weekends you need to present your time. Saturday 2 hours, Sunday 2 hours in the morning hours to present what are all the things you have done. So whatever the program 1 and program 2 completed in my institution, 99% of the people got placed by doing the interview themselves only. By doing the work, they are not going to take any work support. They are working. They are like profiling their 4 years of experience, guys. Okay, so the master should think to join this program too is you need to prepare, you need to complete the program one. What is a program one? Program one is a Azure Data Engineering regular training. If you are not completed, or if you are learning from YouTube or Udemy, that knowledge is not sufficient. So what I can recommend, you can buy our recording videos of the program one, and you can watch those videos, and parallelly you can able to do this program too. Okay, if you are not able to join the live sessions of the training, then you can buy our recorded videos of the program one Azure Data Engineering training, and then you can able to work on this program parallelly. Okay, so whoever interested for this program too, please let us know, and we are going to start a new sprint from tomorrow, and this weekend Saturday we are going to review that sprint, and every week we are going to add a new sprints over here. Okay, so this is all about the program 2 we are going to conduct as a Azure Data Engineering real time program. If anybody interested, so please let me know, and if you have any questions, you can able to ask the questions as well. Okay, so go ahead with your questions if anybody having any questions.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, go ahead, Sapna.
Yeah. So the basic question I wanted to confirm is, so what about the? I mean, you just mentioned the point that the people who have not completed this course, or maybe who are taking the reference from Udemy or YouTube,
Hmm.
they have this option of buying your recorded sessions.
Yes,
But
exactly.
parallelly, you also mentioned that while we are doing it, for instance, like if I choose to take your, recorded sessions today,
Hmm.
so when do you think is a good time for me to start with this part two program?
Right. For example, if you see in the sprint one, I am going to cover in the first three videos. Okay. For example, if you are buying
Okay,
my videos, so if you are watching first three videos, you can able to do the sprint one. Next three videos,
okay,
sprint three. So this is how you can watch three videos in a day, and you can able to do parallelly the sprint tasks by watching those videos. Then this is how we can parallelly run this one. Okay, and also in the next month or in the coming 2 months, the market is going to be open, because like from last 1.5 year
okay,
there was some recession is going on, but in the next 2 months we are expecting a lot of market. Even though there is a recession, Azure Data Engineering is very very demand in the market, no doubt in that.
okay. And just follow up question to that. So are you also going to give us this awareness that okay, probably you can watch these three videos. Based on this, I'm going to
Yes,
allocate you
exactly.
this task. So
I
you're
will,
going to
I
give.
will, I will
Okay,
tell you what things you need to cover to perform this sprint one.
okay, okay. So clear with my doubts. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, the this program will start tomorrow onwards, right? How
Right.
long it will take?
It's like overall 30 hours time we are going to spend. So total around 15 to 20 sprints are going to conduct. It will take 15 sprints, 15 into a week. So 15 weeks you can consider. Sorry.
15 weeks.
Yeah, 15 weeks.
Okay. If it is regular days, means how long it will be? 30, 1 month, right?
30 hours duration we are going to spend, like Saturday 2 hours, Sunday 2 hours. Okay. One second. For example, there are like a 15 sprints maximum we have. Okay. So weekly one sprint. Weekly one sprint we are going to conduct over here, and sometimes we are going to conduct if the number of tasks in a sprint, total 150 tasks. Okay, in one sprint I can give more tasks, in another sprint I can give less tasks. Overall we are going to conduct 30 hours. You need to spend on the Saturday 2 hours, Sunday 2 hours. So total we are going to take around yeah, 15 sprints, 15 weeks.
Okay, sir. Because why I'm asking this question, last week, that May 1st, May
That
3rd,
is
you
it.
started, right?
That is a daily
Unfortunately, I'm
program.
not able to join.
That
Daily.
is a daily
When the
program.
daily program it will start. Because daily means the 30 days it will finish it, right?
Right, right. But if you are spending more time, see what will happen here. For example, the people first I will give one sprint. Okay, in a week, if you are completing the sprint, in the next week I'm going to change two sprints for a week. So I want to make this program as early as possible to finish. So around
Okay.
like 50 to 60 days of the duration, I'm going to complete this real time program. Parallelly, you can attend the interviews.
Okay.
So by
Sure.
by completing of the 10 sprints, you are in a ready to attend the interviews.
Okay. Okay, sure. Thank you.
Yeah. So my request would be better join this kind of program only instead of joining a daily program.
Okay, sir.
Ram Akudao. Hello. Hi Ram,
Okay.
Shiva here.
Okay. Go ahead.
శివ రామ్ రామ్ అంటే ఇంతకు ముందు మీరు కండక్ట్ చేసిన క్లాసెస్ లో అంటే డైలీ వాటి వల్ల అంటే ఆఫీస్ వర్క్స్ వల్ల అది సో జాయిన్ అవ్వలేకపోయాను. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే మీరు ఇప్పుడు చెప్పేది అంటే నేను మిడిల్ లో జాయిన్ అయ్యా. సో సాటర్డే సండే మనం రివ్యూ చేస్తారు అండ్ ఒక స్ప్రింట్ సే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 1 వీక్ మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఇచ్చారంటే మండే ఇప్పుడు ఒక స్ప్రింట్ ఇచ్చారంటే నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్రైడే లోపల అది మేము కంప్లీట్ చేసుకుని సాటర్డే సండే మనం రివ్యూ చేసుకుంటాం రైట్.
రైట్. ఫర్
అంతే
ఎగ్జాంపుల్
కదా
నేను
దాని.
మండే రోజు మీకు ఒక స్ప్రింట్ ఇస్తాను. దట్ స్ప్రింట్ కంటైన్స్ సమ్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ టాస్క్స్. ఓకే. సో you have to start on Monday to start working on the sprint, each task. Okay. And
ఓకే.
every day how many you are completing, you need to update that status inside. Here
ఓకే.
you need to, for example, here your name is Ravi Teja, so you need to complete how many tasks you have completed, what are all the tasks you have a doubt. Okay. So by Friday you need to complete everything. So in between, for example, Tuesday or Thursday, you got some doubts. You can ping in our chat and you can able to communicate with us as well. Okay. And
ఓకే.
Saturday and Sunday, what we are doing? Saturday, you need to join the session. Similar like this, you need to share your screen. I will ask you some tasks to do by sharing of your screen. You got it?
గాట్ ఇట్. ఎస్.
And coming to the Sunday, I will focus completely on the interview, question and answers. Okay. Initially,
ఈస్
every
దిస్
yeah.
ఈస్
Initially,
దిస్ వీడియోస్ రికార్డెడ్ రా?
no, we are not going to
No.
recording the videos. If we are recording the videos, again your brain will ask like same spoon feeding only. How the training
ఓకే.
is expected. For first, initially I will run weekly one sprint. Then slowly, when we are moving forward, weekly two sprints we are conducting because I want to finish as early as possible this program. You got
షూర్.
it?
ఇంకొకటి రామ్,
Hmm.
యా గాట్ ఇట్ రామ్. షూర్. ఇంకోటి ఇంకొక క్వశ్చన్ రామ్. సో రిఫరెన్స్ వీడియో ఒకటి అంటే మీరు చెప్పారు కదా రామ్, అది అంటే ఇందులో అంటే ఒకవేళ మాకు ఏమైనా రిఫరెన్స్ కావాలంటే అందులో చూసి జస్ట్ మేము ఫాలో అవ్వచ్చా రామ్? స్ప్రింట్ కి సంబంధించి ఉంటాయా లేకపోతే
యా
ఎట్లా
ఫర్
రామ్?
ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అట్లని కాదు, ఇప్పుడు మనకి
మ్మ్.
క్లాసెస్ అయిపోయాయి కదా. సో అందులోనే
మ్మ్.
మనకి లైక్ ఇప్పుడు స్ప్రింట్ వన్లో ఏమేం టాస్క్లు ఉన్నాయో ఆ టాస్క్లు ఏ ఏ వీడియోస్ మీరు క్లాస్లో వాచ్ చేస్తే యూ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు డూ ది స్ప్రింట్ వన్ అనేది నేను ఐ విల్ ఇన్ఫార్మ్ యూ.
ఓకే.
ఒక్కసారి మీ పాత వీడియోస్ని మీరు రివ్యూ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఏ ఏ వీడియోస్ రివ్యూ చేయాలో ఐ విల్ టెల్ యూ.
ఓకే.
సో ఈ స్ప్రింట్ మనం ఇమీడియట్లీగా నేను యా గో హెడ్. యా గో హెడ్, ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్?
Oh, yes, Ram.
Um,
Hello.
ఎస్ ఎస్ గో హెడ్.
Um, so I have not completed my course. But till now my course is done near
గుడ్
Synapse
నేమ్,
dedication process.
యువర్ గుడ్ నేమ్.
Bhavani. Bhavani.
Oh yeah, yeah. So you are engaged already with a different program. Okay, you can drop off from here.
Yes, yes.
You can
Okay.
drop off from here.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So we are going to start this program from tomorrow onwards only. Okay, because this sprint we have next 1, 2, 3, 4 days only we have. So please reach out our team. The number is 7997 457 228. Whoever interested, you can enroll for this program. They will immediately add you into a group chat. So we are going to communicating through that group chat only. Then what the things you need to do, we are going to give the instructions. Whoever is confirmed, I am going to speak with them personally. What are all the things you need to do? What is the instructions you need to follow? Okay. Any more questions before winding this call?
Just last question, sir. I would like to confirm is, so does this course also includes the preparation of resume, that what projects we
Yes,
can
yes,
include in the
hundred
resume, so
percentage,
that
100%.
okay. And another question I want to, so the people who are already working, so you said that the for instance in a case like mine, who are following the videos for the first time, so obviously it will take a couple of hours. So can you just give me a brief idea that normally to complete a sprint, how many estimation hours does it will take,
So
so that I
like
can prepare my
daily 30 minutes is enough.
okay, so just 30 minutes is enough to complete the task, right?
Yes, yes. So in the week, you can
Okay,
spend at least 2 to 3 hours for this one to work on the sprint. Weekly, 3 hours to
okay,
work on the tasks.
okay, sounds good to me, sir. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Please reach out Ramya 7997 457 228. I ping that number in the chat as well. If anybody interested to enroll, thank you. Once your enrollment completed, I will speak with you.